Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Sa vlog na ito ay ating panunuorin, pag-uusapan at magbibigay po tayo ng opinion at komento dito sa naging hosting skills ni CJ Opiaza dito pa rin sa kanyang journey sa Miss Grand International. Kasi tinututukan natin mga kapolitika itong kanyang mga ganap dito sa kanilang beauty pageant. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe muna kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. So ang pinaka-latest po kahapon is sumalang itong si CJ Opiaza dito sa hosting dito sa nagaganap pa rin na Miss Grand International, kasi parang ito ay testing na rin dito sa mga kandidata ng Miss Grand kung talaga nga bang yung kailang kukurunahan na queen ay talagang all around at magagamit nila kahit saan mga kapolitika. So dito is makikita natin na talagang very jolly at very enthusiastic itong si CJ Opiaza dito sa kanyang hosting skills. At ang sabi nga ng ilan ay very genuine at natural yung kanyang pag-host. Okay, so dito natin makikita na talagang nahasa siya at nag-improve kung ikukumpara mo doon sa mga pag-unang pagsali niya dito sa mga beauty pageant. So talagang masasabi ko in my own personal opinion na ready at handa na itong si CJ Opiaza dito sa Golden Crown ng Miss Grand International. But on the other hand naman is hindi naman din natin talaga maiwasan na merong mga na-insecure daw or nainggit daw, nagselos daw dito kay CJ Opiaza dahil nga magaling siya all around. Okay, kasi ito yung pagkakaiba ng Pinoy, ng mga Filipina beauty queens, yung pagsalita mga kapolitika, yung accent or yung pronouncement. Kasi kung ikukumpara mo dito sa ating mga karating bansa like Vietnam, sa Thailand is hindi ganoon kaganda ang accent, okay, or yung pronouncement, kakaiba sila. Okay, so meron silang accent na native sa kanilang meron silang regional accent kumbaga. Okay, so ito yung advantage natin na kung saan is kung dadalhin yung ating kandidata doon sa West, sa Amerika or sa ibang mga bansa is hindi mapapahiya ang Miss Grand kasi talkative at talagang masalita itong ating pambato na si CJ Opiaza. So she can communicate well, in other words. Okay, so ito yung ating panunuorin natin yung video mga kapolitika, itong hosting skills ng
Yeah, do you want me to say no? Pabun. Okay. Hello, Sawadika. Good morning, Thailand, and good morning to all the fans of Miss Grand International. I am CJ Opiaza. You can call me CJ. I'm Christine, your Miss Grand Philippines, and we are here at Pabun Cafe. We're gonna tour you around and give you some little messages and short chika, as Filipinos would say, with all the candidates of Miss Grand International. So, come in. Let's go. I'm so ready to have the lunch. Well, actually, I just had breakfast in the hotel, but thank you so much, Widham, for allowing us to experience the beauty of your hotel. And now we are here in Pabun Cafe. So this is the facade, the beauty of this place. If you guys want to order, I am a fan of coffee. So we have coffee here. Is this for free if I'm gonna order? Which one I like? Oh, I'll have latte.
Okay.
Iced latte. Yeah, Mr. Shop will pay for me. He got me. So as you can see, this is the counter area. So we have here the coffees are available. We have some drinks available on this side as well. But then if you go this way, you can see all the beauty all from all around the world. So we'll be talking to some of them, and I know some of the girls are actually starving and hungry and just want to taste a new set of dishes from Thailand. So before we get to talk to some girls, this is the dessert area. So as you can see, there's a variety of foods here, and I just can't wait to try this. I know I'm not yet starting to eat, but I want to try these sweets here.
And ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa naging hosting skills ng ating pambato? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.